Welcome to Secret Entertainment Extreme channel. Today we are going to explore the most promising new business ideas for 2024. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. As we step into 2024, the world is buzzing with innovation and entrepreneurship. With technological advancements and shifting consumer behaviors, new business opportunities are emerging. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or an aspiring startup founder, this is the perfect time to turn your ideas into reality. Let us explore the most promising new businesses ideas for 2024. Sustainable products e-commerce. Imagine a platform where eco-conscious consumers can find sustainable products from reusable bags to refillable water bottles. With a growing awareness of climate change, sustainable living is becoming a lifestyle. You can curate products from local artisans, small businesses, or established brands, offering a one-stop shop for environmentally friendly goods. Number 2, virtual event planning. The pandemic has normalized virtual events, and this trend is here to stay. Virtual event planning offers endless opportunities from webinars to conferences and workshops. You can provide services like event conceptualization, speaker management, and technical support. Partner with event platforms, hotels, or conference center to create immersive experiences. Number 3, personalized wellness and nutrition. With the rise of health consciousness, personalized wellness and nutrition are gaining traction. You can offer tailored nutrition plans, genetic testing, or wellness coaching. Partner with healthcare professionals, fitness experts, or nutritionists to provide holistic services. Number 4, AI-powered education platforms. AI is revolutionizing education, making it accessible and interactive. Develop AI-driven learning platforms offering personalized courses, adaptive assessments, or virtual membership. Collaborate with educators, institutions, or industry experts to create engaging content. Number 5, eco-friendly home maintenance. Homeowners are seeking eco-friendly solutions for maintenance and renovation. Offer services like energy audits, solar panel installation, or sustainable landscaping. Partner with local contractors, suppliers, or manufacturers to provide environmentally responsible solutions. Number 6, social commerce and influence marketing. Social media has transformed shopping experiences. Create a social commerce platform connecting influencers, brands and consumers. Offer services like content creation, campaign management, or influence marketing. Number 7, mental health and wellness centers. Mental health awareness is increasing and people are seeking support. Establish mental health professionals, hospitals, or insurance providers to ensure comprehensive care. Number 8, customized 3D printing services. 3D printing technology is advancing rapidly. Offer customized printing services for prototypes, modes, or production parts. Partner with designers, engineers, or manufacturers to cater various industries. Number 9, online language learning platforms. Language learning is becoming increasingly popular. Develop interactive language learning platforms offering live classes, video tutorials, or AI powered chatbots. Collaborate with language experts, teachers, or cultural institutions. Number 10, green technology consulting. Businesses are adopting sustainable practices and green technology consulting is in high demand. Offer services like energy efficiency audits, renewable energy integration, or sustainable supply chain management. These innovative business ideas for 2024 offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. Remember to conduct through market research, validate your idea, and stay adaptable. With persistence and dedication, you can turn your passion into a successful venture. Seize the moments and let your entrepreneurial journey begin. Thank you for seeing the video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.